We've walked through all the main parts of Medicare: Parts A, B, D, Advantage, and Supplements. Now let's put it all together and compare the two most common paths people choose: Original Medicare with a supplement or Medicare Advantage. Both options are legitimate Medicare coverage. The best fit depends on how you prefer to manage your health care. Freedom and predictability versus structure and affordability. Under Original Medicare with a supplement, Medicare pays first, and your supplement fills the gaps. You can see any doctor in the United States who accepts Medicare. With Medicare Advantage, you're enrolled in a private plan that bundles your hospital, medical, and often drug coverage together and operates within a network. Supplements typically have higher monthly premium, but very little out-of-pocket costs when you use care. Advantage plans often have low or even $0 premiums, but you'll pay copays and coinsurance each time you get care. Here's a good way to think about it. In a good year, when you're just seeing your doctor for an annual physical or routine checkups, an Advantage plan may save you a lot of money. But in a not so good year, say you need surgery or you're hospitalized, a supplement can save you thousands because it covers nearly all of those unexpected bills. Here's something many people don't realize until they're in it. Advantage plans are managed care. That means your insurance carrier can require things like step therapy, trying lower cost treatments before approving more expensive ones, or prior authorizations before certain procedures. That can sometimes delay care or add extra steps. With a supplement, those decisions don't come from a private insurer. You and your doctor decide, and Medicare simply pays its share. Under Advantage, the plan itself is the decision maker for many services. Most do a good job, but some people find that process to be a little frustrating, especially when they need care quickly. With a supplement, you rarely face those types of delays. If you travel or split time between states, supplements work nationwide. Any Medicare provider is in network. Advantage plans tend to be regional, so you'll want to make sure your doctors and hospitals are included before you enroll. Advantage plans protect you with a maximum out-of-pocket limit each year. Once you hit that cap, the plan pays 100% of covered costs. With supplements, you're already protected because your monthly premium, essentially, prepays your exposure. One big difference people don't hear about early on is that you can always get an Advantage plan, but you can't always get a supplement. When you first enroll in Part B, you have a 6-month guaranteed issue window where you can choose any supplement without having to answer medical questions. After that, if you try to switch or apply later, you may have to go through underwriting and could be denied based on your health conditions or items such as height-weight combinations. Advantage plans often include extras like dental, vision, hearing, gym benefits, where supplements don't. They're focused on core medical coverage and financial protection. Here's the bottom line. Supplements offer freedom to see any doctor and predictable costs in exchange for a monthly premium. Advantage plans offer low premiums and added benefits, but with managed networks and rules for how care is delivered. Neither is right or wrong. It's just a matter of which set of trade-offs you're more comfortable accepting. Here's my advice. Take the time to understand how each option works before you decide. What feels like a small difference today can be a huge difference later on, especially when your health changes. Whether you value freedom or simplicity, the goal is to make a choice you won't regret down the road. If you'd like help understanding which path fits your situation, you can reach us anytime at cover6financial.com, or you can email info@cover6financial. We're here to help you make confident, informed decision about your Medicare coverage.